Are you a pickle lover? Then this video is for you. Have you ever eaten star fruit as a pickle? Hi, I'm Sonali. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I hope you will like my video and subscribe to my channel. First of all, let's cut our star fruit into thin slices. Now I am adding some white vinegar to it. I'm not measuring anything here, but I added about 2 tablespoons. Now I am adding some salt. For a pickle, salt is essential. Then I am adding some chili powder, pepper powder and chili flakes. Finally, little bit of sugar. Sugar helps to balance all the flavors together. Now mix everything together. Even though I used a plastic container for mixing, the best option is to use a glass or porcelain ware. So finally, for the serving, I am putting this pickle in a porcelain plate. Pickled food is tasty as well as it is good for our gut health. So I hope you will make this pickle in the star fruit season. I hope you liked my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let's meet again in another video. Bye.